In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add equation in Canva. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Canva. You can do this by typing Canva into the search bar. As you start typing, your browser will suggest options. Click on the most relevant link to navigate to the Canva website. This is your gateway to a variety of design tools that Canva offers. Once on the site, you will see a clean and user-friendly interface. Taking a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout can be beneficial. Next, click on the correct link and log into your account. If you don't have an account, you can easily create one. Enter your email and password, then proceed to sign in. Once logged in, you will be greeted by your dashboard. This is where all your projects and templates are stored. Logging in ensures that all your work is saved and accessible across devices, so it's an important step. From there, choose an existing project or create a new one. If you have a specific project in mind, click on it to open it. Alternatively, you can create a new design by selecting the appropriate option. This choice is crucial because it sets the context for where your equation will be applied. You can pick from various formats such as presentations or social media posts depending on your needs. Now click the Apps tab on the left-hand toolbar. This tab is usually located near the bottom of the toolbar and provides access to additional features that can enhance your design experience. By clicking on this tab, you will open up a range of creative tools that are available in Canva. This is where you can find specialized applications, including the one we will use to add equations. Next up, type equation into the search bar. The search bar is typically at the top of the Apps section. As you type, Canva will filter the options to help you find the equation app quickly. This step is important because it streamlines your search, making it easier to locate the specific app you need for your project. After that, select the equation app, which features an icon with mathematical symbols, to open it. Clicking on this icon will launch the app and give you access to its features. You will see a clean interface designed specifically for creating equations. Familiarizing yourself with this interface will help you navigate the options more efficiently. At this point, choose a symbol category like basic math, fractions, calculus, matrix, or algebra to find the layout you need. Each category contains a variety of symbols and templates that cater to different mathematical needs. Selecting the right category is key because it will determine the kind of equations you can create. Take your time to explore these options to find the best fit for your project. Once you have your category selected, type your values into the visual template boxes provided by the app. These boxes are designed to help you create structured equations easily. Simply click into each box and enter the numbers or symbols required for your equation. This flexibility allows you to customize your equation according to your specific requirements. Finally, click Insert or Add to Design to place the equation onto your active canvas as an editable graphic element. This action ensures that the equation is integrated into your design for further adjustments. You will see your equation appear on the canvas, ready for any final tweaks. This makes sure your changes are saved and your design is visually appealing. And there you have it. You have successfully added an equation in Canva.